Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, update the base station and headset firmware, and plug into the same USB port. Start with physical checks so you don't chase software issues. Inspect the boom, connectors, and mute switch for debris or looseness. Once done, test on the opposite device, PC if you started on console, and compare audio with a known good mic. This isolates whether the problem is the Astro A50 itself or your system's input settings, saving time before deeper fixes. Now you move into detailed configuration inside Astro Command Center and your device settings. Tweak mic gain and side tone, increase gain incrementally, and listen between changes so you avoid clipping. Make sure noise gates or automatic gain controls are off, because they can mangle dynamics and drop quiet speech. Also, set the sample rate to 48,000 Hz and disable system enhancements. Once done, reboot both headset and host, then record a short voice clip to evaluate clarity and background noise behavior. Finish by fine-tuning equalization and physical placement to get natural tone. Cut low-mid muddiness around 200 to 400 Hz and gently boost 2 to 4 kHz for intelligibility. If problems persist, swap the USB cable and base station port, test on another system, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset. Make sure to save recorded test clips for comparison. If none of this fixes it, you'll have clear evidence when contacting Astro support for warranty or repair options.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.